back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, man. As y'all can see, y'all see where I'm at. So I'm gonna bring y'all this footage of me at the track, man. Wait. I can't bring y'all a video of me at the track because I can't get the video to download for some reason. I can't re-put it in. I've even broke it down and chopped it back up again and redid everything, man. I still cannot get this video to download. I don't know what else to do. We'll bring y'all another video, man, of me at the tire shop, man, while I was there trying to get a front tire for the car. I seen these nice 19-inch rims on some brand new tires, man. One of the rims was scuffed, but other than that, everything else was straight. And a clean Caprice Classic, a clean 60s convertible Mustang, a clean Camaro convertible, and some other stuff, man. Let's just get into it. I ain't gonna waste no more time, man. Sorry about the other video. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but that's what it is, man. Alright, gang, I'm up here at the tire place. I saw these rims out here to go on my Acura. So we're gonna try to fit one on and see. I got 17s, these are 19s, yeah. So we're gonna see what they look like, man. And I'm gonna come back to y'all once we get them on there. But once we get one of them on there. It's not bad, guys. He wants 600 for the rim. One of them is messed up. One of them got scratches on it. Let's see. If y'all can see that rim down there at the bottom. Right there. Got curved. Got curved real bad. This one too. They must have been on the same side. Oh, what the new rim would look like.
No problem.
They get the full turn?
Yeah. No? Full turn, buddy. Espérame. Espérate. It's clear, buddy. Dale vuelta al otro lado.
Pretty good.
Ahí, dale. ¿Ya? Dale vuelta al otro lado. Más, güey. Ahí, apágalo. Just match it out with the color, buddy.
Yeah, it look good.
Oh, yeah. Mira, perrón, ¿no?
Yeah, I like it.
600, but even.
Yeah, if y'all got them next week, I'm gonna come get them.
You want to give me some deposit, I'll hold them for you. You give me $100, $200, and I'll save it for you for next week. Give it 2-3 weeks, no problem.
Okay.
Good, buddy. It's cheap, you know, the tires. Just for the tires, the guy paid like $800.
Oh, I know.
For the
The tire's expensive. But yeah, gang, that's not bad for a set of 19s, 600. And they match the car. I'll let y'all know what I decided, man. He said I can leave a deposit. I know y'all heard. But I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Well, look at this Caprice, boy. This thing clean. This thing's stupidly clean. They look good. clean Mustang. I think he told me it's a 66, if I am mistaken. Convertible. This thing is beautiful. Oh shit. Alright guys, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the footage. As y'all can see, I'm outside chilling today. I got my little tank top on. And I'm just out. It's a beautiful day. Like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the bell to turn on all post notifications so y'all can get the notification every time I drop a video, man. And peace.